418s, Resilient Sound.
Okay.
The MD8J,
Taro.
Pioneer Dick.
Nice. You know the box tuning on it at all? No? Okay. Who built the box?
A guy from Virginia, Marcus.
Okay, are you from Virginia?
Yeah.
Very nice, okay. Came down for the show, sweet. All right. Sucks that you lost your other amp, but you got some bass, so yeah. I'm sure it would be louder with the other one, but I'll enjoy it.
All right.
I'd rather to hear it, man. Is it louder windows down or up?
Both.
So? Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. So what's your name real quick, and what's in here, man?
418. I messed my 15K up, so I keep the 8K.
You got some bass though? Alright, sweet.
What's happening, TT?
Where I can see the back real quick? Yeah. Awesome.
Love the way you walk, love the way you talk, little young nigga.
What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we got of his system at the Ruckus and Chill show near Fayetteville, North Carolina area. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. I definitely like the matter that he fit 4 18-inch subs in his SUV behind the back seats instead of 4 15s like most people would do. Really optimal amount of cubic space, of course, by having the subs inverted. I didn't find out the actual tuning, peak frequency, SPO, or the size of the port. Sorry about that, but I did get a really good demo. When the demo plays, you're going to see these subs really put pressure on these windows and the back glass my wife got on the outside flex. Seemed like they were going to blow out. It's crazy. You can see the outside light, and it was really dark inside. You'll see that. So notice the subs are inverted. Really smart idea to do for cooling. Also, the amount of cubic space is probably on the small end for this box, so inverting them gives you an additional cube and a half plus because the motors aren't taking up space. That was the specs of the subwoofer I found on their website, and all of this is only on an 8,000 watt amp, keep in mind. So, and sadly, he did have an amplifier issue, so imagine twice the amount of power that he had before, and it's just insane to see how loud it can get even on just this one amplifier. And I also didn't really find out the size of the alternator, but I could see he had at least a couple of AGMs behind that back row seat, so he did have a good electrical system to at least support the amplifier he had. Total of 8,000 watts on 4 18-inch subs in this SUV demo we're getting to now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily car audio videos every day on JacobViral, and enjoy this insane bass demo.
Okay, y'all gotta be quiet. I gotta be quiet. Sis a little bitch, sis a little hoe. I love the way you walk, love the way you talk. Let a young nigga come play in your throat, deep stroke your throat till I make you choke. Throw babies, I'm trying to give it to you. Throw babies, I'm trying to bust all on you. Sis a little
Love the way you talk, let it young nigga.
you talk, let it young nigga. Oh, baby. Let it young nigga. Oh, baby.
Sis a little hoe, I love the way you walk, love the way you talk. Let a young nigga come play your thought, deep stop your thoughts.
Wow, just one little exhale on that pressure, it's flexing everything. So I really appreciate the demo, man. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for showing me, man.